Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: a GA4 property with a measurement ID, enhanced measurement enabled, and Shopify admin access. Now, open Shopify settings, go to Online Store, then Preferences, paste the GA4 measurement ID into the Google Analytics field. This link's site hits immediately. Once done, disable any legacy Universal Analytics tags to avoid duplicated data. Make sure to publish changes and keep a theme backup. That prevents lost edits if you need to roll back quickly. Next, install Google Tag Manager to manage tags without editing theme files repeatedly. You'll create GA4 configuration and GA4 event tags, set triggers for view item, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase. Push structured data layer objects from Shopify's checkout and cart templates so events carry product ID, price, quantity, and currency. Once tags are created, use GTM's preview mode to simulate events and verify parameters reach GA4. If parameters finish by validating data flows, open GA4 real-time and debug view while you trigger test purchases to confirm events and parameters arrive correctly. Then, mark purchase and other key events as conversions, build audiences for remarketing, and enable enhanced e-commerce reporting to see revenue and funnel metrics. If data is missing or duplicated, inspect GTM tag sequencing, remove duplicate tags, and verify cookie consent banners aren't blocking scripts. Finally, document your tag map so future edits stay consistent and auditable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.